Hello, welcome to 5-Minute Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make instant roti prata in 5 minutes. So start with any flavor of prata that you like and heat up your wok. Next, peel off the plastic packaging that separates the prata and put it into the pan. Now you see it sizzling, and then don't flip it around, if not you might break the prata. So after you see the edges turning slightly brown, flip the prata over. Look at that beautiful brown edges. It will start to puff up like a puffer fish, and that's when you know it's almost ready. When doing 5-minute curry prata, of course you have to use the canned curry. This is the premium canned curry chicken thigh with potatoes. Did you know that curry chicken and potatoes come in a can? Well, they do. All you have to do is pour them into the pot, heat it up, and serve it up. And there you have it, a warm bowl of curry chicken with potatoes to go along with your crispy prata. All in 5 minutes. Thanks again for watching and subscribe.